Stepper motor or AC drive motor? Which one actually belongs in your machine? If you work with CNCs, conveyors, or automation, choosing the wrong motor can mean stalls, lost steps, or production downtime. In this quick video, I'll break down the real-world differences between stepper motors and AC motors driven by VFDs like the Yaskawa drives we use, and give you simple rules of thumb for when to choose each. Let's start with how they move. A stepper motor moves in fixed little steps. One pulse from the controller equals one tiny rotation of the shaft, so you control position just by counting pulses. It's simple, precise at low speeds, and you don't need an encoder to know roughly where you are. An AC motor on a drive is different. The motor spins continuously, and the AC drive controls its speed and torque by changing the frequency and voltage of the power feeding the motor. With a Yaskawa-style drive, you can ramp speed up and down smoothly, hold a set RPM, and even add feedback for precise controls. Because of that difference, each motor has clear strengths and weaknesses.
Steppers shine at low speeds and at holding position.
They're great when you need accurate positioning over a short distance, the load is predictable, and you want to keep the hardware and wiring simple and low cost. That's why you see them in 3D printers, small CNC machines, and light automation.
But steppers drop off fast at higher speeds.
As speed goes up, torque falls off, and if the load spikes or accelerates too quickly, they can skip steps. When that happens, the controller doesn't know, and your part or motion can be out of position. Now compare that to an AC motor on a drive. A Yaskawa-style AC drive system can deliver smooth motion over a wide speed range, with much better torque at medium and high speeds. With feedback, the drive is constantly checking actual speed and position, and correcting in real time. That makes it much more reliable when loads vary, or when you need fast acceleration and deceleration. On top of that, AC drive systems are typically more efficient. They draw only the current they need instead of burning full current all the time like many stepper systems do, so they tend to run cooler and waste less energy over long production hours. So when should you pick a stepper motor, and when should you go with an AC motor on a drive? Choose a stepper when you're moving something light to moderate over a short stroke at lower speeds. You care about precise positioning, but a rare misstep isn't catastrophic. And you want to keep the control system simple and cost-effective. Choose an AC drive motor when the machine is part of a production line, the load changes a lot, or you need higher speeds and fast acceleration. In those cases, the closed-loop control, extra torque, and better efficiency of a drive-controlled AC motor will save you from stalls, scrap, and unexpected downtime. In our own projects, that's why we'll happily use steppers for lighter indexing tasks. But when it's a critical conveyor, spindle, or axis that has to run all day, we're almost always using an AC motor on a Yaskawa drive. If you're spec'ing a new machine or upgrading an old one, start with 3 questions.
How fast do I really need to go? How much does the load change? And what happens if this axis stalls or loses positions? If the answer is, we can't afford a stall here, that's usually your sign to look at an AC drive solution. If this was helpful, hit subscribe for more short breakdowns on motors, drives, and real-world automation decisions. And drop a comment with what you're currently using: stepper, AC drive, or a mix of both.